I am Vivek. So I am back with a new application which is billing software for service billings. Also, this application can use by all the professionals who is dealing in services. So what we have in the billing, so this is completely a solution which providing you CRM plus billing plus AMC. All three things you can manage in the billing software itself. So how we can do this? Simply you can see the dashboard. So in the dashboard we can see all the analytics in terms of values or like our upcoming renewals. So everything we can see. We can define the customers as it is. We can add customers by one, or we can import from the Excel itself. Both option is available. We can define groups. So as per the group we can easily use invoices bulk generation. If I want to generate a recurring invoice on a monthly basis, so we can define the monthly generation, or if we want to generate for a quarterly or alak metrics which you are using it, so the recurring concept is completely dynamic, which can easily defined by the users itself. Like quarterly, so we can select the quarters. Same way for the monthly we can select the months. So that way we can generate bulk invoices in a click. Now we added leads option. If you are receiving any type of inquiries, so we can also see, and we can also create different kind of leads. After the adding leads we can add follow-ups. Like directly we can add follow-ups from the follow-ups. So those follow-ups we can see, and also we can do more activities related to follow-ups, like we want to complete or we want to cancel that particular follow-up. Then we have service master, where user can define different kind of services which they are doing, like on a recurring basis, on a monthly basis, so they can define the type. After that we have licenses. If they are dealing in different kind of licenses for their client, so they can define the licenses also along with the expiries. So what is the benefit of that? So we can map all the licenses as per the customer. So whenever the renewal will come or the expiry will come, so we can see the pop-up like how many renewals in this month. So we can create one-time license products, and after that we can easily select those product and we can do the mapping. And also additionally, if we want to capture more details related to amount, or you want to assign this particular license product to particular user in your team, that you can do. So this way we are managing the license managements for different kind of licenses we can manage in the system. We have quotations. So user can directly create quotations from the system, or also they can send directly over email. Same way we can create invoices. So again, in the invoices there are multiple ways to create invoice. By one we can create, or if we want to create like in a bulk, both way we can do. Now after that we have receipt concept. Against services you can book receipts. So we can maintain like a service based accounting simply. For your team we have tasks. So they can create task, or you can create task and reassign those tasks to your teammates. So what we have, so whatever they are doing, they can simply create task in terms of services. And we can also capture like services are paid, billable, so that we can configure in the task itself. So simply they can create task. After the completion we can also calculate the productivity. And secondly, we can create invoices against those available tasks. We can also check reports, like how many available tasks in the list. Those things we can check. And the reports, like task wise report, if we want to see. So daily work hours, task completed, those we can directly see in the system. Now we are providing reports related to GST, quotation, invoice versus. So almost the all different kind of reports. Along with the aging we can see. The most important thing for professionals, the license report. If you are working as a professional, so we can see like their DSC, their factory licenses. So all things in a one format. So we can see like, okay, those particular licenses are expired and those are going to be expired in both way. Then users can define they want to manage like their customer passwords, so they can create different kind of like passwords, and they can store in our system like a vault. So they can just simply do copy paste and use it. At last, the settings, they can create multiple users, and they can define the permissions. We are supporting custom field configuration and the CRM configuration. So this is like a quick overview about the billing software. So you can place a demo request so we can show like how the product will work. So use it, request for a demo, and thanks for watching this.